For anyone with young children will most probably know who this is. I didn't. Famous TV character for kids shows, Blippi, apparently. He's famous for wearing this brightly coloured outfit with the orange braces and blue shirt and his multicoloured hat and his orange glasses. And we've got some construction machinery going around the sides with some cones, some boulders and some rocks. The blue and orange I love together. And then I've just gone around the base with a yellow ribbon just to make it pop even more. So this is for a 2-year-old. So bright, colourful, fun. I've decorated the cake to match his outfit. So I've run his orange braces down and his shirt buttons down the middle. Just in a slightly different blue, just to give it more colour. Blippi!